Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to recover your Roblox password. First, open your Roblox apps. Tap it three dot icon and go to your settings. Step on this password option not showing. Okay, don't worry. Is another option. Go to your phone settings. Scroll down. Tap on Google. Tap it Gmail account. Tap on Google account. Scroll down. Tap it password manager. Scroll down. Tap it Roblox account. View your password tapping the eye icon. Okay, solve your problem. Thank you.